So I think I've hit the point where I'm just physically and emotionally and mentally broken from this pond build. I've moved so much dirt by hand. All of this has all been done by hand. I woke up this morning thinking I was done digging, and then I measured at this top shelf and realized it was too shallow. So I just started knocking out that shelf. That shelf is probably 2.5, almost 3 foot deep, and a couple foot back. So there's a lot of dirt I'm taking out. I'm taking out the whole top shelf all the way around, bringing it down level with that second shelf. It's going to give me a lot of needed lineage, but man, this is a lot of work for a person of my shape and my age. I'm going to carve out right around here and try and open up that bottom section a little bit more as well. But man, this is definitely, today is the day I realized I undoubtedly got in over my head and bit off more than I can chew with this project. Stay tuned to see if it ever gets done. I don't know if it will, but I know the fish are hoping it will.